الولد ركب القطار. الولد ركب القطار. Do you notice the difference between the two sentences? Here's the difference. In the first sentence, when we pronounce it as ركب القطار, it means the boy got on the train, like he's traveling somewhere. It's similar to saying he boarded the train. The context here is about travel, about movement. But in the second sentence, ركب القطار, the shadda on k changes the meaning, not just the verb, but the whole situation. Instead of he boarded, it now means the boy assembled the toy train, putting its pieces together. The context shifts completely. It's no longer about traveling, but about playing or building. So the shadda changes the context of the whole sentence. Shadda, understanding the doubled letter. Just like short vowels and sukoon, shadda helps us pronounce Arabic words correctly. When you see shadda on a letter, it means that the letter is doubled. But instead of writing it twice, we use this small mark. It looks like a W on top of a letter. How shadda works. Shadda tells us that a letter should be pronounced as two sounds in one letter. The first sound has sukoon, so it's held briefly. The second sound has a short vowel, fatha, kasra, or dhamma. For example, in the word Muhammad, the meme in the middle has a shadda. And instead of writing two memes, we write one meme with a shadda and its vowel. Let's break down the name Muhammad to see exactly how shadda works. The shadda is a shortcut. It tells us that there is a hidden extra letter. When we break it down, we don't write the shadda anymore because we replace it with the two letters it represents. Muhammad has 3 syllables with 3 meme sounds. The first syllable is mu. The second syllable is ham. This is where the second meme sound occurs. But it's hidden. It's not written, but we still pronounce it. And don't forget to hold the meme with sukoon briefly. The third syllable is med. The third meme sound has fatha. So when we put it together, it's Muhammad. Not Muhammad, it's Muhammad. So even though we only see 2 written meme letters, we hear 3 meme sounds because the shadda doubles the second one.